Now I'm gonna go burn some more grain. Just been getting about 2 cups a day now, or more. Go put it back in the shed. Here, duckies. Hi, Fern. You want some grain? Come here. Fern. You want some grain? Whatever. We'll just come put it in here. Let's see. Back in here. Actually light up. And I gotta fill the rest of the barrel with hay for her. So that's what I'm gonna go do now, is go get her some more hay. There's Fern's hay. Put her hay in there. She's got her hay and her grain. Okay. Now we'll go get everybody else some grain. Hi, Fern. Come here. Mom's got your food in here. Fern. There's grain in there for you. Don't share with the piggies, okay? It's so dusty in here, my camera's fuzzy. You don't give any of that grain to the piggies, okay? Fern? Hello? You guys want food? Want food, Everest? You want food? I gave you food. You want more food? Hi, Howard. Alright, I'll go get you guys food now, okay? Ember, you want to help me go get grain for everybody? You can come help me? Yeah. Okay, let's go. Come on. Go get the ducks and chickens and piggies some grain now. We're gonna get 2 cups of grain as well. Bit of hay in with their grain. that yummy? Is that yummy, guys? We got hay and grain. Got the little babies right there. You guys are silly. There's clean water right in the other dish. I gave you clean water. Hi, Angel. Not 'em. Hey, pretty girls. I can't wait until these guys can just be in the shed in here overnight with everyone else. But I still don't dare not pin them up overnight because I really, really, really don't want anything to happen to them. I would be so, so sad. So, better safe than sorry is what I always say. So until further notice, you guys get to be pinned up still, huh? And Fern's over here enjoying her grain and her hay. That good grain, Fern? No matter what the pigs tell you, I already fed them. So do not share your grain with them. That's for you. Okay? I know how convincing they can be, but I promise you I already fed them.